BCom third semester, School of Management Thoughts, Unit 1, Development of Management Thoughts. The topic here is Max Weber's Theory of Bureaucracy. Max Weber's Theory of Bureaucracy means here Max Weber explained bureaucracy. Max Weber explained bureaucracy as an ideal system of organization that works on rules, orders, and authorities. Ideal system of organization that works on rules, orders, and authorities to ensure efficiency. The concept of bureaucracy. The concept of bureaucracy here is bureaucracy is a system where work is done according to fixed rules. Where work is done according to fixed rules and procedures. Where work is done according to fixed rules and procedures. And authority flows from top to bottom in a clear manner. Authorities flow from top to bottom in a clear manner. People here work based on their position. People work based on their position and not personal relationships. Features of Weber's bureaucracy. First feature of Weber's bureaucracy is clear division of work. First feature of Weber's bureaucracy. Here, each employee has a fixed duty and responsibility. It means it has a clear division of work. Second, hierarchy of authority. Here, there is a chain of command from top management to lower staff. Third, rules and regulations. All the activities are guided by written rules. Fourth, in personal relationships. Decisions are made without favoritism. Fifth, selection based on qualification. Employees are selected and promoted based on merits and skills. Selection based on qualification. Here, Max Weber explained that an organization should have clear and formal structure so that work is done smoothly and efficiently. Sixth feature is written records. All the decisions and actions are properly documented. Features of bureaucratic management. Clear rules and regulations, fixed duties and responsibilities, hierarchy of authorities, top to bottom, impersonal decisions, merit-based selection and promotion, formal communication. 7. Written records and documentation. Criticism of bureaucratic organization. Although bureaucracy brings order and discipline, it has many drawbacks. Drawbacks of bureaucratic organization. First, too many rules make work slow and rigid. Second, delay in decision making because approvals are needed at many levels, from top to bottom. Approvals are required. Third, lack of flexibility. Fourth, no personal touch. Employees feel like they are machines. Fifth, discourage creativity and innovation. Because everything is planned and the workers have to work according to the plan. workers have to work according to the plans. That's why the fifth point explains that it discourages creativity and innovation. Sixth, poor communication across levels. Poor communication across levels because there is chain of command. This is the top bottom. Authority flows from top to bottom. Seventh, low employee motivation due to strict control. Low employee motivation due to strict control. In short, bureaucratic organization is efficient but rigid. Too many rules and procedures can reduce speed, creativity and employee satisfaction.